Hello and welcome everybody again to my class. In this classroom, we are going to learn about if conditional to, and we are going to use a song to learn that. So we have a very nice song called "You Can Count on Me." But before we start the song or listen to the song, we need to know some few things that you are going to do during this class. So first of all, you are going to do three tasks. They are going to be published on Google Classroom. So the first one is going to be a pre-listening task. So we are going to do it after this short video. Then we are going to do another one after the second video, which is the during listening task. Then after that, we are going to uh, do a discussion or make a discussion about the song, and we are going to answer some questions, but in Google Forms. So before I start, I want to tell you that you have to go to Google Classroom, and I will be providing the Google Classroom code with a link to your accounts. So I want you to just follow the instructions that I have given to you how to join Google Classroom, then add the code, and it will be a very easy task. You will see a post, then you will have the pre-listening activity on one of the Google Docs. So let's start. So first of all, I want to show you some pictures, and I want you to look at this picture. This picture is really nice. It's from Amazon. You can see the Amazon man here is really sad. We have another ball that is also very sad. The second picture, we are having two parents fighting together, and their kid is covering his face with his hands, and another young man holding a young woman, and they are going to the sea. And we have a very, very sad picture of a girl and another man who is walking in the forest, maybe, and it's really dark. But out of the sudden, we have the girl with the red hood with her light in the middle of the forest. And after that, we have some weird pictures here, some abstract pictures. We have a picture of a human being with a lot of lines and colors going out from his head or her head. And we have another thing, which is maybe dots and lines connected together. And after that, we have a chair, and we have two young men hugging. So my question to you is, do you think that those pictures are connected or not? So I want you to write on Google Classroom, what do you think about these pictures? Are they connected or not? Are they, do you think that they have a relationship together or not? So let me hear from your expectations. Let's see. So I want you to go to Google Classroom, and I want you to click to the pre-listening activity, and you're going to do it.